When we bought our camper trailer, it was fitted with this on the front, and we wished to put pantry boxes on. Join us on our journey with that.
We are Al and Joe. Together we are Cheets out and about, just your average working middle-aged couple. We invite you to join us as we explore remote and sometimes not so remote areas of Australia.
After removing the handles and the framework, we had Jake from Perella Steel Fabrication, Mark, cut out and bend up the boxes for us. We then welded the boxes together at home and made up the frame. Footage and pictures from here on in was short on the ground as I contracted COVID followed by a bad cold. And then Blake from Perella Steel Fabrication made up our drawers for us. And here is the finished product, painted and mounted to the front of the Tvan.